Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Xtreme first generation Bluetooth speaker. I got this from one of the subscriber of AudioViz 360. The complaint is battery, the backup is not coming well. So let's test the speaker first. I'm turning on the speaker, pressing the Bluetooth button here. Now I've got this JBL Xtreme. So I have clicked this. Allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm checking and clicking the pairing button. So it is connected now. Now it's time to play the song here. So it's 3-point here. So you can see the speaker is turned off because the battery is not giving the proper current to the motherboard. Let's test again. Turning on. It will connect automatically. Now playing the song.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
So it is turned off. The reason is the battery is not giving the current to the motherboard. Let's replace the battery. So I'm going to use this battery here. This is 18650. Model is NCR 18650 lithium ion battery. It is made in Japan. So alright, this is already made with 7.4 volt BMS, 2 batteries connected in series and 2 batteries connected in parallel. This is 2S2P. So 7.4 volt we get in this terminal. Alright, now I'm keeping this battery separately. Let's see whether this has been removed previously or not. Let's tear down this. So there is no screws here. So this side there is no 3 screws. Let's take this out. Directly it comes out. We'll put the 3 screws. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be there. 1 is missing, no problem. So let's take this out. Alright, now let's take out this battery indicator here. I'm just taking this indicator out separately to keep this. Now let's take out this mesh here. There are 2 screws to take out here. This is not the original battery. This has been replaced already. So I think this is the second time. Speaker is okay. No issues. Now this is not the original battery. Alright, let's take this base radiator. One of the subscriber here, he directly called me, asked me to replace the battery with this 18650. This will give solid backup, no doubt. These are not the original screws. These are totally different. We will replace it with original screws here. There's one more screw here. Alright, now while removing this, be careful. This is the packing here which blocks the air. You should keep this properly here in its place. Sometimes it fixes here and sometimes it remains here. So if it is fixed here, you have to remove carefully and place it back in this gap properly. Now this is fine. I'm keeping it separately here. Now it's time to take out the battery here. To take out this battery, there is a clip here. You can see. So I'm just going to take out this socket. Now I'm taking out this socket here. That's it. It's time to pull the battery here. Alright, this is not the original battery which we get in this speaker. This is written German battery pack, lithium ion battery, voltage 3.2, 6.4, 9.6 volt, 12.8 volt. There are different batteries here, voltages, but this is 7.4 volt battery and this is of 10,000 mAh, 10,000 milliamperes. So you can see this is bulged here. This is not good. That is the reason the backup is not coming. Very less backup because you can see this is swollen here. Alright, now I am going to replace this battery with this battery. So I am not going to put here. I am going to place the battery this side. So I am going to use epoxy resin here to fix this battery. And I will plug this socket to this point. So this is already almost recharged. Let's see the voltage here. I'm keeping this screw separately. So I am setting this meter to 20 volt DC. First let's check the voltage of this battery. If this is good battery, this should be more than 7.4 volts. Sometimes voltage will be there, amperes will not be there. Let's see what is the issue in this. So you can see here 7.4 5.9 voltage is coming. So the voltage is good, but this is not storing the current here. Because of that, backup is not coming. So let's see these fresh batteries. I'm checking the voltage here. You can see 8.27 is already there. This has been almost charged. 8.28 is there. So I'm going to use these batteries. So it's very simple. I'm going to simply place this battery here. This is enough. This is perfectly fitting here. Just we have to put this inside. I'm just going to install this battery here. It is inserted now. Now I'm turning on the speaker. It is not started. You can see speaker is turned on. 5 lights is coming because it is almost more than 8.28 voltage. So battery is fine. It's time to paste this battery here. I'm just inserting these cables here, and this is perfectly placed here. You can see this is perfectly placed. I'm just going to use epoxy resin here so that it will hold the battery perfectly in its place, and the epoxy resin is heat resistant. If the heat is also generating from the battery or the motherboard, it will hold strongly to its place. That is the reason I'm going to use epoxy resin here. So alright, let's mix the glue here. So this is the epoxy resin A and B. I'm going to mix it. This is fast drying epoxy. This dries within 5 minutes and it will bond very strongly. This is the one of the strongest glue available in the market. So this has hardener and the main resin. We have to mix it thoroughly, completely before using it. The hardener should be mixed with the main glue. After applying, it will be hard enough to hold the battery in its place. Even if the heat is generated inside, this will not leave the bonding. So I'm just going to apply the glue here. Wherever the space is there, I'm just going to apply the glue so that it will hold strongly in different points. Now I have applied the glue. Let's wait for 5 minutes. So I have got this JBL Xtreme charger from the subscriber. So let me plug it and check whether it is charging or not. So I'm just plugging in here. So it's charging. Fifth light is blinking. Once this is fully charged, this will turn off. All lights will turn off. So just we will try checking the voltage here. Previously when we were fixing the battery, at that time it was 8.29 something. So now let's check the voltage here. You can just check out the meter here. It is connected to charger and the voltage is, you can see the voltage here, 8.43 is coming. That is peak voltage. It will cut off very soon. It will take some 5 minutes time, I think, then it will be cut off. So 8.4 voltage is the maximum voltage. Now it is giving 8.42. That means the battery voltage will be somewhere around 8.32 something. So it will take some time to come for 8.4. Once it is reached, it will turn off. So this is hard here. You can see this is solid hard. Taking out the battery connector charger here. Now I am going to put this base radiator back to its place. It is as simple as that. That's it. I am going to put the screws here. Don't miss any screws, because even if one screw is not tightened, then air will leak. That air leak will be a big distortion when you play the sound. So this is the last screw of base radiator. Be careful while tightening this screw, because the tutor is just next to the screw and you may damage this tutor or the hoofer, the main hoofer. Alright, now it is completely packed. Now you need not worry about this gap, because we are going to put this cover that will block the air here, and there is no sleeve here. Some packing, this packing blocks the air, but I don't know, it is not there, it is missing. So if the air leaks occurs, then we have to pack it again by using some other thing, some other material. So alright, now let's put this cover. Before putting, we have to tighten this battery indicator. Done. Now I'm just simply putting this cover. So we have to put the screws which are missing. So I have the JBL screw, so I'm going to use these JBL screws. Alright, so now I am going to put these screws here. These are original screws of JBL. So alright, it is tightened. Just I am checking the screws manually. These are perfectly tightened. So this is the benefit. If we test manually, this one was a little bit loose. Alright, now it's time to test the speaker here, or maybe after putting the cover also we can test. Let's test it before putting the cover. Turning on the speaker here, you can see 5 lights is blinking here. Speaker is connected. It's time to play the song. Now if we play in the full volume also, speaker will not turn off, because this fresh battery will give lots of current to the motherboard, so it will not turn off. Play the song now with full volume.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Alright, stopping the song. So the battery is perfect with 5 lights glowing. Song is playing without turning off the speaker. So alright, let's put the cover back here. Before that, let's apply some glue here so that it will fix. Now let's put the cover. We have to place these 2 points in these 2 holes here. Then remaining everything will fix properly. It will place itself properly. You can see I have placed the points here. Then it will automatically close itself properly like this. Now it's time to put the 2 screws here. Just by pressing here, and there are 2 clips here. We have to press like this, and this side. That's it, it is fixed. Now I am going to put this clip. There are 1, 2, 3 screws here which goes from this point. So these screws were missing, no problem. I will put that screws here as well. Just by keeping and pressing here, it will lock. So let's put the screws here. So it's difficult to show the screws here, but I am tightening it on this side. That's it. Alright, now let's play a small demo here. Turning on the speaker, you can see 5 lights is blinking here.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Alright, so the battery has been replaced here. I have used here lithium ion 18650. I have many types of batteries, so I am just using those 18650 with different brands. Alright, so the speaker is back to life. It's like new now. The subscriber can use this speaker for further long time. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.